In Part 2 of Lecture 6, we will discuss tracing LR0 parsing. As we discussed earlier, there are three parsing operations. The first is shift, where we move a token and a state onto the stack, and we will find the state using the goTo table. Reduce by production N, where we pop enough items from the stack to form the right side of production N, and then we push the non-terminal on its left side onto the stack, together with the state indicated by the goTo table. Lastly, there is accept, where we accept the program as completely incorrectly parsed and terminate execution. In this example, we are going to parse the expression -27 plus x. We initially place the state 0 and the end of file marker marked by $ on the stack. The action for state 0 is shift. We place the negative sign together with the goTo of state 0 and negative sign, which is 5, on the stack. The action that we see in state 5 is shift. We place the constant on the stack together with the goTo of state 5 and the token constant, which is state 7. The action for state 7 is reduced by production 8. We will pop the constant together with state 7. We will replace it by pushing F factor together with goTo of state 5 and factor, which is state 11. The action for state 11 is reduced by production 5. That means we will pop the negative sign and the factor along with states 5 and 11 respectively, and push term together with the goTo of state 0 and term, which is state 2. The action for state 2 is reduced by production 3. We will pop the term together with state 2. We will now push the expression together with the goTo of state 0 and expression, which is state 1. The action for state 1 is shift. We will move the plus onto the stack together with the goTo of state 1 and the plus sign, which is state 8. The action for state 8 is shift. We move the identifier and the goTo of state 8 and identifier, which gives us state 6, onto the stack. The action for state 6 is reduced by production 7. We will pop the identifier and state 6. We push factor and the goTo of state 8 and factor, which is state 3, both on the stack. The action for state 3 is reduce by production 6. We pop the factor and state 3. We push term and goTo of state 8 and term, which is state 10. The action for state 10 is reduced by production 2. E derives E plus T. So we will pop in turn T together with state 10, plus together with state 8, and E together with state 1. We will push in its place E along with the goTo of state 0 and E, which is state 1. The action for state 1 is shift. We push the end of file marker and goTo of state 1 and the end of file marker, which is state 12, onto the stack. The action for state 12 is accept. The only item on the stack, excluding the end of file markers, is expression, which is the start symbol in our expression grammar.